Watch this.
Pervez Musharraf and Pervez Ilahi should be nominated. And what they have done with the Pervez Musharraf, I mean, they formed their government under the presidency of the Musharraf, and they made the deputy prime minister. Pervez Ilahi becomes the deputy prime minister who was nominated by the Benazir Bhutto. So they have made a deal with the assassins of the Benazir Bhutto. Can he blame the Musharraf? Zulfikar, can you name the Musharraf? Your leader told to nominate her.
I can say it was General Musharraf who killed Benazir Bhutto. I can say here. I am not scared and afraid.
What have you done with the Musharraf?
It was General Musharraf.
What have you done with the Musharraf? Your Mumbai attacks took place in your.
So you're saying the army killed your leader? 1 minute. You're saying the army. You're saying huge statement tonight. No, you see that part? That is the moment where he confesses. General Musharraf, he says, Deepak Bohra. General Musharraf. Highlighting General Musharraf, which means Pakistan army killed Benazir Bhutto. Two big admissions tonight. Bilawal Bhutto says we want to extradite. आप चुप रहिए शायद जी, आपसे सवाल भी नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. जनरल बख्शी, is there any doubt? जनरल बख्शी, isn't that crystal clear? जनरल बख्शी, isn't that crystal clear?
It's crystal clear. You know, Arnab, it is crystal clear that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was hanged by the Pakistani army. It is crystal clear that Benazir Bhutto was assassinated by the Pakistan army. It is crystal clear that her scion, her grandson today, that her son today has clearly, unequivocally stated that Pakistan would have no objection to the extradition of Hafiz Saeed and the other Cartoon Network character Masood Azhar to India. हाफिज सईद साहब का कुछ नहीं कर सकते आपके जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो साहब के ग्रैंडसन उन्हें वापस दे रहे हैं. आपने सुना नहीं उनका बयान? साजिश का क्या सवाल है भाई? आपके सामने उसने कहा है कि वी आर प्रिपेयर्ड टू हैंड ओवर. क्या साजिश? हमारी क्या साजिश है इसमें?
ये हालत हो गई आपकी.
करते अपनी बात मरेगा वो. और अब टाइम आ गया है कि
जुल्फिकार, कम ऑन जुल्फिकार, लास्ट 30 सेकंड
का जो हिस्सा है उसको पढ़ रहे हैं.
तुम ही लोग हैंड ओवर करोगे उसको.
Tell you his whole statement what Mr. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari said.
Well, it doesn't matter.
He said he had no objection to extradite individuals of concern to India.
Thank you for confirming.
As a confidence building measure.
Thank you. So you are saying, okay, thank you. So he's saying now, Deepak, that we want to hand over Hafiz Saeed as a confidence building measure.
And provide.
Now you'll deny after 5 minutes you said that. 5 minutes बाद आप बोलेंगे, आपने ये भी नहीं बोला. He has said the topmost leader of Pakistan's People's Party has said he wants to hand over. आपने अभी बोला ना, Zulfikar, you just said you want to hand over Hafiz Saeed as a confidence building measure.
Engagement rather than.
Okay, so hand him over. Try to build confidence.
बिलावल साहब की जो बात है उसके
He just said I'm willing to hand over Hafiz Saeed as a confidence building measure.
उनकी पूरी बात को नहीं उठा रहे.
पूरी अधूरी कुछ नहीं होती.
दाऊद इब्राहिम को हवाले कर दें.
दाऊद इब्राहिम को भी कीजिए as confidence building measure. Hand him over.